I have spent my life learning the importance of practice and preparation to help me balance the most challenging tasks. I must have faith that I can let go and land with confidence. Although there may be some adversities along the way, I have learned to give purpose to every element and understand the importance of precision and strategy in every detail, because each component adds value to the overall product. These experiences have allowed me to land great opportunities in other areas of my life. On campus, I'm managing editor of our fashion and arts magazine Rocket, where every photo, every model, and every clothing piece signifies the importance of practice and preparation. Last summer, I interned at Hawthorne Direct in Los Angeles, where I added value to a brand's campaign through business intelligence. All of these experiences reflect how I accomplish goals in creative and engaging ways. Now, I look forward to achieving even greater heights in the future.